Okay, I got a box of locks from Papa Gleb. He was supposed to send me some, so he said he'd send me some of these easy locks again. So let's open it up, see what kind of locks we do have. See if we can get this open. Okay, looks like he's got 3 locks in here, and he's got the keys all mummified. So, see what kind of lock we've got. Okay, looks like we've got a master. A Marks. Okay, a Marks. Looks like a 5-pin Marks. This one looks like an Ace. Yeah, it says Ace on the front, so it's a 5-pin Ace looks like. And this one looks like it may have a Schlage keyway to it. It's probably a 6-pin. Looks like it might be a 6-pin. Could be a 5-pin. And he's got all these keys numbered. This is number 8. Okay, I don't see a number on this, or in the 13. Okay. Okay, he's got a 12 on this, RG12 or PG12. So maybe this lock goes with this key, with this key. And these other two, don't see a number on them. So let's go ahead and pick one of these easy locks. Let's get this 5-pin Marks lock. That should be a fairly easy lock to open. Put it in the vise and open it up and see what kind of special pins that Papa Gleb has in it. Okay, let's see if we can find a pick. Okay, we'll use the bottom of the keyway and we'll try this small pick. Let's go to the back of the lock. And 2 and 1. 1 gives a false set. A little bit on 4. Okay, 5 felt like it moved a little. Get some feedback on 3, but let's check our other pins first. Okay, that was number 5 then. Okay, got our false set back with number 1 then. We lost it. Okay, there he is, open on number 1. That wasn't a real bad lock to open. Just a moment, forgot something. Get my board here. See if we can get these screws out with this. Then we'll have to figure out which key goes to this lock. It's almost bad as a clip. Okay, we got that. Okay, let's see if we can slide this out. Okay, it's not wanting to work. Alright, let's see if we can do it this other way. Alright, in number 5 looks like a standard upper pin. Okay, there's a look like a pin and pin. We'll take a close look at them. There's another serrated pin. Okay, looks like a some kind of a T-pin with a wafer on top. See if we can look at these. Okay, all 5 pins are in the plug. Take a close look at the plug. Okay, we've got counter milling in 1 and 3, thread in 2, 3, 1 and 4, threading in 2, 3, and 5 on the plug. I don't believe that Papa Gleb has threaded this. Hasn't. Well, yes, he has too. Okay, yes, it is threaded. There's 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. See if we can get this other spring out. Okay, number 1's not threaded. Doesn't appear to be. Okay, and number 1 and 4 is not threaded. But the other 3 are threaded, so it goes with the the plug. So Alright, that's fine. 1 and 4 is counter, it's not threaded. 2, 3, and 5 is threaded. Okay, Papa Gleb, I appreciate these locks you sent today. I really appreciate it. I got a new lock here that I've got open, so let's see what kind of pins we do have in this lock. Okay, here's a T-type pin, got a wafer here with it. Didn't really see how this lock pin come out. That's a standard pin. This one has a little serration on it, and it's been made smaller on number 2. Okay, 3 and 4 is a little bit smaller on the key pin on the top. This is serrated key pin. It must have come out like this. This is another serrated type key pin, and here is a okay, I guess this is a what he would call a T-pin with a wafer on top of it. So this one had to come out like this. Then you've got this one is just a standard with a serrated key pin. Okay, please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. And I thank you again, Papa Gleb. I appreciate this lock and these other 2 locks. I'll get around to these other 2 just as soon as I can.